Hi everyone, we are at the peak of summer and this time could be quite harsh in the kitchen. It becomes very difficult to cook even the simplest of dishes when it's a scorching 45 degrees outside, and it can take a significant toll on your health. So today we are here at Shantigiri Ayurveda to discover some of their very special no-fire cooking recipes which are exclusively reserved for the patients and guests who stay here for treatment as well as rejuvenation. And we are very glad to introduce to you Mr. Gopakumar. He is the administration officer as well as the overall in charge of the facility and takes a very keen interest in what is being served here to the guest. So what are we preparing today?
We are preparing today one of the fruit paisa.
One is fruit paisa. Yes.
These are the ingredients here.
These are the ingredients.
Here. This is flat rice.
Yeah.
Let's grind coconut and jaggery, papaya, banana slice, and almond, and dry grapes,
raisins,
etc.
Okay.
This is, we are going to mix it together.
Okay.
First, we are going to pour this thing. Coconut we are going to pour into the.
So next you want bananas?
Bananas, yeah.
Alright. Should I pour all of it? Okay. Okay, so you have to smash it
Smash it together.
Fine. So we have made a fine slurry here. Now we are going to put jaggery to this. All of it?
Yeah.
Now I'm adding these beaten rice to it. Half of it.
Yeah.
So you don't have to put all of it, just the half of it, so that they can soak. So this is kind of a custard kind of a appearance.
Nice.
So if you guys have such a mortar with you at your home, that would be more better, because this shouldn't be grinded very finely, so you cannot really use your mixer grinders here. So it's best if you're doing it this way. And this preparation is very healthy. As you can see, all these dry fruits which we have here and the fruits which we are mixing, we are going to mix papaya as well. And then our preparation is going to be ready. We are ready with the fruit paisa. Is that enough?
Yeah, little more.
Little more. Okay. So you can see it's a very nice preparation. The color itself is so beautiful. And it's ready. So our fruit paisa is ready here and I'm just about to taste it. It looks really delicious, I must say. So we have one more special recipe for you. This is actually a morning drink which is served here to the patients, and it is a special combination with some papaya juice as well as lemon and honey. So we all know that lemon and honey, they are natural detoxifying agents, and along with this papaya it becomes more special because papaya is actually rich in carotene. It consists of different kinds of vitamins and iron, zinc, all of these. So this serves as a perfect morning drink for you. This is a must try. So for that I'm just going to grind the papayas first, and then we are going to mix the honey and as well as lemon, and ready to be served. So that's my drink here. The important part to know here is this is actually served as a morning drink, and you can always serve it to your guests if you want to show them how diet conscious you are. So all the recipes that we prepared today, these are actually very integral part of the diet plan which is served here to the patients. So all those individuals who come here for obesity related or detoxification related treatments, or the ones who come here for PCOD or amenorrhea related issues. These kind of preparations can be very beneficial if they inculcate them into their daily lifestyle. So Shantagiri is actually trying to build a good diet routine into your lifestyle. So these drinks or the simple recipes that we prepared in the morning, these are actually some very simple kind of preparations which you can try at your home, and they can be very beneficial for your health. So few days of stay here is definitely worth it, and it's a must try.